Perfect.
Alright, we're at the homie Ibish's house right now. Boy Justice. We're about to repaint his R6. Make it matte black. What's so funny, bro? Yeah, so goodbye to this red. And plus this helmet's blue, so it doesn't really match anyways. Alright, let's get to it. So this is the process so far. We got the fairings off, the rear, the front. Right now we're trying to work on this last piece here and then take off the tank. Alright, everything's off the bike right now. We're about to go ahead and just start sanding it all down right now. Alright, so far we've been at it, sanding it down. We got a couple fairings done. We still have all this to go, but she's coming along. Hey, look how it looks without anything on it though. It looks hella weird. This is an 05 R6, by the way. Wow.
Wow! Beautiful!
All right, everything is sanded down and ready for primer. So right now this is our setup. About to hit it, fairing and everything else for primer, and then take a little break and go eat.
So?
Fanta orange or
Yep.
strawberry?
Orange.
Orange, okay.
And that'll be all.
Okay, so once again, one spicy, one classic, fries. I got 5 beef tenders, spicy.
But the food is
What color was
here.
your underwear?
What?
What did he say?
Hey, yo. Hey, you think the car's gonna fit? Truck?
I don't know, this car, man, we're fucking gone.
Got lemonade. 0 to 60, go. Nice.
Boy, if you don't...
Hey, yo. Fancy Piper surprise. What's in the box? Dang. Yes, sir. What you think? Update. Everything's pretty much primered, except for the tank and that fairing. So he just starting to wet sand it right now, and once everything's wet sanded, we'll go ahead and start spraying. So we finished painting everything primer, so he's still working on the pieces. Some of them are already done being wet sanded, and now we're about to start the black paint. Alright, so another update, just have these left. All this is painted, that's drying, waiting for another coat. Almost done. As you can tell, it's already dark outside. Alright, we are finally finished with painting everything. Gas tank just got painted, so obviously it's still a little wet, but the flat's starting to come out real nice, all dried up.
The next morning.
Tell them it's day 2. So back the next day, everything is dry now. Try to get the angles. Everything came out really good. Gas tank looks hella smooth. Yes, sir. So now we're about to go ahead and clear everything, seal them up, and then let them dry and throw them on the bike. You excited?
Pause, sir.
Over now.
Pause, sir. 10-4.
You just what?
Oh, and shit.
It's nice. So you just take this little cap off, and then it's just a little pin here. You get those out the way, and then it just slides out. And this is the old one. Yeah, there you go. There it is. Get it out.
Take this off?
Yeah, normally you don't touch the bulb, but since we're not using it, it doesn't matter. Okay, and just put the new one on. You're gonna slide it back in there. The light's facing, just going like that, so side to side. And you just lock it back in place. And while the last of that gets put on, we're just gonna get everything ready to throw it all back on. Gas tank on. Where's your... High beam. Only hell hours later.
later.
Cut in right here. Ready, ready, ready. Eee bonk. Hey, yo. Yes, sir. No matter. Oh, well, fuck. Oh, I almost dropped the bike, bro. Almost. Eh. I know, because I'm turning. I gotta open my backpack all over again. I gotta open it. Do you want one, for real? Do you want one? Oh. Hold on, bro. You know I'm on tippy toe it, bro. Yeah, now I'm stuck where you're doing. It's just so difficult because
I got little legs.
weird. You're going where, bro? Nice, bro. Yeah, that was hilarious, bro. Alright, bro. Yeah, I really am. Yeah, I take this light up here. I take this light. Before the light? Oh, right here. Oh yeah, I'll go right here. No, I'm leaving. See you, bro.